Hello everyone, welcome to the TechBoxer YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to convert single object into a list of objects. So this is our input and this is having the ACC property. This property is holding the object value and we need to convert this into a list property. So here we need to create a ACC list property. For this property, this is a list property. We need to assign this object into this list property. Okay. So to do that, I will go into the Salesforce environment. I will create a new data mapper for that. Dr. I will name this as a dr obj to list of objects. Object to list of objects. Okay, select the interface type as a transform. Input type and output type will be the JSON. Click on the save button. Now I have this input JSON, so I will paste it here in the input JSON section. Okay, now I will go to the preview tab. See the JSON that we have pasted in the transform tab, it got reflected here also. Now what I will do, so here click on this plus icon to do the field mapping. In the input JSON path, type the path. Okay, the path is what? Object path. Select the object path. Here the object path is ACC, right? So type ACC. After that, we need to convert this object property into a list property, right? So what name we have to provide in the list property? ACC list, correct? So in the object output JSON path, write the ACC list path. Okay. Now we have mapped the ACC and ACC list. Now we need to convert this object property into a list property. To do that, in the output data type, okay, if you scroll down, there will be a option to convert object into the list of objects. So here the list of map, right? Select this list of map. Here map is nothing but here the map is holding the key value pair, correct? So here this is a key value pair. Map is nothing but an object. An object is holding the value like key and value pair, right? So list of objects means this will store the uh, list of objects. We are converting this object into the list of objects. Okay, now I will go to the preview tab and I will execute. See, it got converted into the, here the ACC list is a array property. See, the array symbol is there, and after that this object got assigned to this list property, correct? Yeah, like this we can convert an object into a list of objects using this output by selecting this output data type as a list of map. And in the input JSON path, select the node object node and give the in the output JSON path, name the object node. Okay, like this you can convert a single object to the multiple objects. Okay, now I will go to the second scenario. Merge object properties with related parent properties into a single object using transform data mapper. So here in this example, yeah, this is a input JSON and we need to convert this JSON input JSON into the in this format. If you observe here, we are fetching the content here in the con is a list. This is a list of context information. Okay, and for each record, we are the contact record is having name, birth date, ID, and account ID. And in the same record, it is having a separate object inside of it, object parent record. So we need to merge these fields with the same record. Okay, like this, merging account fields with the contact record. Okay, using transform data mapper, we'll do that. Okay, now I'm in my Salesforce environment. I'm going to create a new data mapper for it. Dr h bj parent obj fields. So I am naming this data mapper as a dr merge obj parent obj fields. Okay, select the interface type as a transform, input type and output type will be the JSON. Click on the save button. Now copy the input JSON structure. Okay, I will paste it in the input JSON path here. Okay, it got added. Now I will do the field mapping. Okay, for this one account ID, I don't need a separate object in the contact record. So what I will so I will do, will simply remove this colon. Okay, see here in the contact record, account ID got added, right? Now I will do for other fields also. After the account ID, select the account industry and copy that input JSON part. Here in the output JSON part, I will simply remove the colon. One name, account ID. We can remove this because already account ID is there. So you no need of writing it another time. Now we'll do the field mapping for the contact fields. Okay, we have added the birth date field, and after birth date we will add the email. Do the field mapping for ID. Copy that input JSON and paste it in the output JSON part also. You can name anything in the output JSON part. It doesn't not it don't need to be the same field names. Okay, based on your requirement, you can leave the output JSON part. So we last will we are doing the field mapping conform. Okay, I think field mapping is done. Now I am going to execute the transform data mapper. See, we got the result as expected. We have merged the all the fields. Okay, and account before it was the object record values are in a separate object in a contact object. So we have merged all the fields into a single object, right? Like this we can merge the fields using transform data mapper. I hope you understood this video. If you have any doubts, you can put a comment below. I will respond to it. Thank you for watching. You for your time. Keep learning. Thanks everyone.